Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to correct the disc bandit on this one bot actually, but it doesn't matter which bike you got. I'm gonna use the wrench tool. I already explained before in the video, but this one I'll just correct it because since it's foldable bike, I put it in the car. I use it pretty often actually, and looks like the disc a little bit bended. I could simply probably move and adjust it because there's enough space inside, but I just want to show you how I will use without reposition the caliper, adjusting the brake disc only, and that will fix right away. So let me show you first. I'll set it up like this so you can see how the disc bended. It's not a lot of bending, but still it's touching just a little bit. So you can see right here, you can see it's moving. So what I will do, I'll find the point which touching the one of the side, then I use this adjustable wrench tool. I'll set it up to the wideness of the disc. Okay, and don't touch with the fingers the disc because it will squeak. Most people wonder why it's quick, because you're gonna put some oil on it. So once you find the right position, like I'm gonna need to do, okay, so it's somewhere right here and it's touching on my side, on this side. So I'm gonna simply drop this one in like this and push it closer to the wheel just a little bit. Okay, then retest it, and it works just fine now. You cannot hear anything. Let me zoom it in if possible. It was tires, but it just worked fine now, so it's not touching anymore. And that's how you adjust bended disc, regardless which one. It's the simplest way actually to fix a little bit bended disc. You don't, much simpler than to replacing, much simpler than adjusting, because you just need few movement, and it takes time to learn. It takes me only one bend and it's put it back to normal. Don't touch with your fingers. If you did touch it, use the alcohol to wipe it out. Also, I think dishwasher soap can wash off all the oil, so it will not squirt, but make sure you wipe it out because some disc might be getting rusted as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.